So how to install MUBR app lock screen widget. So just go to the, obviously to the App Store, and then you can just download this app MUBR. It's a new trend in app, especially on TikTok. It's kind of like a music widget where you can just connect your Spotify or Apple Music, and then you will see what your friends are listening to on Spotify or Apple Music. So it's pretty cool feature. Discover your friends' last listened tracks, send funny reaction to your friends' listened tracks, all your friends' music in one place. And then, they have home screen widget, but they also have lock screen widget. So when you created account in that app, just go to the settings, and here like tap on wallpaper, tap on customize, tap on add widgets, and from here you can just search for MUBR. I have a lot of apps, so just search for MUBR widget, see what your friends listen to, and then you will be able just to add it like this, and then just tap done in the top right. And then what you will see here, you will see what's the latest track your friend is listening to. I'm not sure, like, can you edit friends? Can you select specific friends you want to follow in this widget or so? But that's basically what it is. So keep an eye on that, and that's what it is. So hope that is helpful. Give a try to this app, quite fun.